I stayed in Bangkok, Thailand, and this is what I got for around $50 a night. This is SureStay Plus Hotel by Best Western Sukhumvit 2, located right in Bangkok's popular Sukhumvit area. One of the hotel's best features is its rooftop pool, where you can relax and enjoy views of Bangkok's skyline after a day of exploring the city. The rooms are cozy and efficiently designed, offering everything you need for a comfortable stay, including a large bed, flat-screen TV, mini safe, and refrigerator. The rooms are modern, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious for the price. Now, let's take a closer look at the room and explore all the details, from the cozy bedroom setup and spacious bathroom. We head to the breakfast buffet restaurant. The restaurant is spacious, modern, and offers everything needed for a healthy and enjoyable breakfast. The cozy outdoor pool offers a relaxing space to unwind with a modern resort-style atmosphere. Another thing I liked about staying here was how easy it was to get around. The hotel offers a complimentary shuttle service that takes guests directly to Sukhumvit Road. From there, it's just a short walk to Nana BTS Station, giving you quick access to Bangkok's shopping malls, markets, restaurants, and nightlife. For around $50 a night, SureStay by Best Western Sukhumvit offers a comfortable stay, convenient transportation, and a great location in the heart of Bangkok.